how to use Siri on your Mac. So what is Siri? Siri can help you with everyday tasks such as getting quick answers to questions, playing music, and more. So you can ask anything to Siri. It will do it for you. Um, it can also make suggestions in some apps, so help you in this kind of tasks. Um, for example, if when you book a flight, you can suggest heading them to your calendar. Cool. So do you turn it on? You go here to the top left corner, my Apple, and system preferences. Um, Search for Siri, and it's highlighted here. Okay, and I tick this box, and to enable this Siri. Keyboard shortcut, okay. FN space, it's a shortcut format. I can define another one or no shortcut at all. I will stick with this one. FN space. Language, I'll choose English United States, and I want American. I can choose the voice I'd like to use. Voice for, okay, it's enabled. It's enabled, and I show Siri in menu bar. If I enable this, it will show up here. If I disable, it disappears from my menu bar. I'll keep it enabled here. Okay, I can close now system preferences. So now to use Siri, I can go and click this icon, or I can use my keyboard shortcut, the shortcut we defined before, that was FN space. Italy, Spain, Euro 2020. Okay, now I search for this Italy Spain in Euro 2020. It's a football game, and it suggests a series of websites with information about this event. But I want to know the result. I don't want any news, I want to know the result. Could you kindly tell me the result between Italy and Spain in Euro 2020? Okay, gave me information about the game. Uh, what time is it in New York? How is my calendar today? Oh, cool, I'm free. Thank you, Siri. So let's close it here. That's basically how you use Siri. And to ask Siri again, you can press and hold the shortcut we defined before. In our case, it was FN space. You can also use this icon here, touch bar, or say Hey Siri if it is supported on your Mac or headphones. To turn it off, you just do the opposite opposite you did when you enable it. So system preferences, Siri, and here we go. It's Siri is not enabled anymore, so disappear from here, and FN space no longer responds.